Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, are aircraft that can be navigated without a human pilot on board the aerial vehicle and can be navigated via control from the ground using a GPS tracking system. Some of these drones are equipped with cameras that allow the user to record and take pictures using controlled navigation. They're often used to record, some at a more professional level, however many fly drones as a hobby. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Sky Viper Video Drone V95HD is designed with daredevil pilots in mind, and the resilient polypropylene body is strong enough to withstand nearly any flight-sustained impact. It comes with a high-definition SkyPro camera, made to capture bird's-eye view video footage in crisp 720p HD. Also, with one-touch panoramic video capture, the video drone is programmed to enter a controlled spin flight pattern to capture breathtaking 360-degree views from up to 200 feet away. Besides, you can use the included 4GB microSD memory card to capture up to 20 minutes of flight footage. Another advantage is that the adjustable sensitivity controls make flying fun for both beginners and experienced pilots. Moreover, you can adjust the SkyPro camera up to 130 degrees to optimize for bird's eye view photos, action videos, and more. On the other hand, 4 blades offer the maximum in aerial control, and with the touch of a button, the Sky Viper HD video drone rotates in flight to capture full circle aerial footage. The Syma X5 SWV3 comes with a 6-axis gyro based on 4 channels, which ensures a stable and fast flight. With Wi-Fi camera and built-in Wi-Fi module, you can watch what your camera sees with a live video and aerial photos in real time on your mobile device via the app. It's capable of 360-degree rolling. Perfect and marvelous performance will be found with continuous rolling. Also, the headless mode avoids the difficulty of identifying the head and tail when you start to fly. Besides, it is equipped with 500 mAh battery for the super long flight time, and it offers up to 50-meter long RC distance. Moreover, this upgraded quadcopter supports cell phone control from Android smartphone and iPhone via Wi-Fi connectivity. Another advantage is that it has a 2.0 megapixel high-definition camera, which allows for a clear first-person view from the sky. The Hubsan X4 H10C features a 2.4 GHz 4-channel transmitter and a built-in 720p resolution HD camera. It has a 3.7-volt, 380 mAh lithium polymer battery that tucks away inside the body, providing up to 7 minutes flying time. Also, to record video, there's a microSD memory card slot below the tall section that is activated using a button just to the side of the card slot. Besides, it offers incredibly responsive controls that allow you to perform amazing stunts with just a flick of the sticks. Moreover, switching between normal and expert mode is as easy as pressing the right control stick. Another advantage is that it has blue LED lights built into the rugged body, which illuminate the way, and the included micro LiPo battery delivers plenty of power. Holding the first place among the list of best drones for beginners, we have the UDI 818A HD+. It includes a 720p resolution camera, enabling you to make a record of your aerial adventures in HD quality. It features a quad rotor design with integrated prop guards. Also, it comes with a 4-channel, 2.4 GHz handheld transmitter, radio controller, which occurs in the box and is pre-bound to the aircraft. Besides, the headless mode eliminates the distinguish of drone's direction, and the direction will be the same as your transmitter, great for beginners. Moreover, pressing the return home key, RTH, will bring the quadcopter back to you and land it automatically. Another advantage is that it has 6-axis gyro stability, which provides stability, strong and resistance, and easy maneuverability for stunts. On the other hand, the drone batteries are designed with built-in protection to ensure that your drone battery doesn't overcharge or overheat.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.